Hello guys, in today's video we are going to summarize a TED talk by Atul Gawande. He is a surgeon by profession and he has done a wonderful job for our rural healthcare system. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So he started his TED talk by showing the current situation of the hospitals in rural area. Although the staff in these rural hospitals were well trained, there were more complications than regular areas. Then he introduced the concept of coaching. He takes example of different profession and how coach continuously helps them to improve their work. Then taking an example of himself, he says that there was a point in his life where he thought he was not getting any better. So he asked one of his former professors who has retired to coach him and the professor agreed. The next case he went with the coach was successful, but his coach actually had a full notes of things that he needed to improve. He pointed out things like the light swing from the wound between the case. Your elbow goes up once in a while, that means you are not in full control. He suggested that you can fix it by getting different instrument or just moving your feet. Mr. Atul found something fundamentally profound about this. He said, coaches are your external eyes and ears, providing more accurate picture of your reality. They are recognizing your fundamentals, they are breaking your actions down and then helping you build them back again. After 2 months of coaching, he felt better as a person again. And after a year, he saw the complication drop even further. After his own experience, he suggested to coach all the healthcare workers in rural area. He partnered up with Indian government and started trial in Uttar Pradesh. They created a team of coaches and started training an army of doctors and nurses. Over a course of a year, there was a drastic change in the mortality rate from those healthcare institutes. This TED talk actually shows the power of coaching and how it can drastically improve a person. Dr. Atul is truly an inspiration and we must learn from his experiences. So if you are looking for a coach or a mentor, then your search is over. You can find free coaches and mentors at mysocialcapital.in. Register for free. And for more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Social Capital.